Are you wasting money on the wrong rifle scopes? In this video, we're counting down the 10 rifle scope brands only dumb people buy, the brands that just don't deliver on quality or performance. If you're serious about shooting, you'll want to stay away from these. Let's break down the worst of the worst in rifle optics. Number 10. Firefield Barrage Riflescope series is a budget-friendly line of rifle optics designed for hunting, plinking, and general shooting where affordability and basic performance matter most. These scopes typically offer variable magnification ranges, such as 3x40 or 4 to 12x40, with fully multi-coated optics that improve light transmission and contrast compared with untreated lenses, and simple reticle options like mil-dot or BDC that help with quick aiming and basic holdovers. Built with a lightweight aluminum tube, the Barrage series provides dependable windage and elevation adjustments and enough durability for casual field use. Though they're not engineered for harsh tactical environments or extreme precision work. Pros: very affordable price point, easy-to-use reticles suited for beginners, adequate optical clarity for short to mid-range shooting, lightweight and easy to mount on a variety of rifles, and simple, intuitive adjustments. Cons: optics clarity and low light performance are limited compared with higher-end scopes. Reticle quality and illumination, if present, may be basic or inconsistent. Weatherproofing and ruggedness are modest, and overall performance isn't suited for precision long-range engagements. Price: typically ranges around $100, $180, making the Firefield Barrage series a good value choice for entry-level shooters, casual hunters, and weekend range buddies who want a functional scope without a big investment. Number 9. Hawke Vantage 6th 24x50. Riflescope is a versatile long-range optic designed for serious hunters, target shooters, and tactical users who want high magnification performance with crisp clarity and reliable adjustments in a mid-priced package. With a generous 6 to 24x magnification range and a large 50mm objective lens, it gathers plenty of light in low-light conditions like dawn and dusk, delivering bright, sharp images and excellent contrast across varied distances, while fully multi-coated lenses help minimize glare and enhance resolution. Its robust single-piece tube is typically nitrogen-purged and waterproof, fog-proof, making it rugged enough for regular field use. And the precision turrets, often with zero-stop and positive, repeatable clicks, allow shooters to confidently dial elevation and windage for long-range engagements. Many Vantage models include a first focal plane, FFP, reticle option, which means the reticle subtensions stay accurate at all powers for true holdovers and range estimation, while even second focal plane, SFP, options offer clear, well-scaled reticles for ballistic compensation. The scope usually features side parallax adjustment for critical focus at extended ranges and generous eye relief for comfortable shooting. Pros: strong optical performance with a broad 6 to 24x range and bright 50mm objective, solid build quality with weather resistance, precise turrets with reliable adjustments, optional first focal plane reticle for true ranging, and very good value relative to performance. Cons: heavier and bulkier than lower power scopes. Advanced long-range features may be overkill for casual hunters. Reticle illumination, if present, can be basic, and edge-to-edge sharpness at max power may trail ultra-premium optics. Price: typically around $450, $650, offering strong long-range capability without premium pricing. Number 8. Monstrum 5 to 25x50. G3 FFP rifle scope is a feature-packed long-range optic that blends versatile magnification and first focal plane capability with solid optical performance for precision shooters, hunters, and tactical applications. Its 525x magnification range gives you flexibility from mid-range workout to extended distances, while the 50mm objective lens gathers plenty of light for bright, detailed images even in low-light conditions. Because the reticle sits in the first focal plane, FFP, the subtensions stay accurate at every power setting, allowing you to use holdovers and ranging marks reliably without dialing back to a specific magnification. The scope typically features precise, tactile turrets with positive clicks and often includes a zero-stop option, so you can quickly return to your baseline zero after field adjustments, and a rugged one-piece tube that's waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-resistant for reliability in varied shooting environments. Side parallax adjustment helps fine-tune focus at long range, and multi-coated optics boost brightness and contrast for clear target definition. Pros: versatile and powerful, 5 to 25x range, ideal for a wide span of distances. FFP reticle for true holdovers at all magnifications. Bright and clear optical performance with good low-light capability, robust construction suited to field use, and useful turret system with repeatable adjustments. Cons: heavier and longer than lower power scopes, which can affect balance. Edge-to-edge sharpness at highest powers may trail ultra-premium optics. Reticle illumination, if included, may be basic. And more advanced features aren't necessary for casual shooters. Price: generally falls around $350, $550, offering strong value for long-range shooters seeking FFP capability without premium pricing. Number 7. Barska Sniper Scope, 6 to 24x50. IR AC11562 is a budget-friendly long-range optic aimed at hunters and shooters who want extended magnification and basic illuminated functionality in an economical package. It offers a 6 to 24x magnification range with a 50mm objective lens that helps gather light for clearer images at longer distances, and features an infrared IR illuminated reticle, typically in multiple brightness settings, to assist in low light or dusk dawn shooting when contrast is limited. The scope usually includes multi-coated optics to improve brightness and contrast compared with untreated lenses, basic windage and elevation adjustments with audible clicks, and a standard one-piece tube that provides modest protection against recoil and weather. Pros: very affordable price for a high magnification scope, large 50mm objective for good light gathering, IR illuminated reticle for low light aiming, versatile 6 to 24x range suitable for mid to long range shooting, and adequate for casual hunting or plinking. Cons: optical clarity and edge-to-edge sharpness lag behind higher-end scopes. Illumination may wash out or be weak in bright daylight. Build quality and weatherproofing are basic, not rugged like premium optics. Adjustments may feel less precise, consistent. And parallax correction or advanced turrets may be limited or absent. Price: typically around $120, $180, making it one of the more budget-oriented options in the long-range scope category for recreational shooters and casual hunters. Number 6. BSA Optics is a budget to mid-range series of hunting and shooting optics, designed to give casual shooters and outdoorsmen affordable performance across a variety of magnification options. Common ranges like 3 to 9x40, 4 to 12x40, and larger long-range variants, featuring fully multi-coated lenses to improve light transmission and target clarity. Simple reticle choices, such as duplex, mil-dot, or BDC, for easy aiming and basic holdovers, and straightforward windage, elevation adjustments that make sighting inaccessible even for beginners. Most BSA scopes are built with lightweight aluminum tubes and offer basic fog-proof, water-resistant protection, making them suitable for general hunting, plinking, and recreational range use rather than extreme tactical or competition environments. Pros: very affordable pricing that makes optics accessible to entry-level shooters, a variety of magnification and reticle options to suit different firearms and uses, decent light transmission for general field conditions, and lightweight, easy-to-mount designs. Cons: optical clarity and edge-to-edge sharpness are limited compared with higher-end brands. Weatherproofing and ruggedness are basic rather than premium. Adjustments may feel less precise or repeatable. Illuminated reticles, if available, tend to be weak, and performance at long ranges is modest. Price typically ranges from around $80 to $200 depending on model and features, making BSA Optics a good value choice for casual shooters, entry-level hunters, and budget-minded firearm enthusiasts. Number 5. NC Star. XRS Scope is an affordable entry-level rifle scope designed for casual shooters, plinkers, and hunters who want basic optical performance without spending much. It typically offers a variable magnification range, often 3 to 9x or similar, a simple crosshair or mil-dot reticle for straightforward aiming, and multi-coated lenses that boost light transmission and clarity compared with untreated glass. Built with a lightweight aluminum tube, the XRS series is easy to mount on a variety of rifles and provides basic windage and elevation adjustments, making it suitable for short to medium range shooting and general field use. Pros: very low price that's accessible for beginners, lightweight and simple design that's easy to install and use, basic optics good enough for casual shooting and short-range hunting, and intuitive adjustments for easy sighting. Cons: optical clarity, brightness, and edge sharpness are limited compared with higher-end scopes. Adjustment turrets may lack precision and repeatability. Reticle illumination, if present, tends to be weak, and weatherproofing and overall durability are minimal. Price typically ranges around $30, $70, making the NC Star XRS scope one of the most budget-friendly options for shooters who want a functional optic for casual use without the need for advanced features. Number 4. Pinty Riflescope. 3-9-eyeing 32 EG is a budget-friendly, basic variable power optic designed for hunters and casual shooters who need a simple, effective scope for short to medium range use. It offers a 3 to 9x magnification range with a 32mm objective lens that provides decent light gathering for most daytime conditions, and an illuminated reticle, EG, with adjustable brightness, often in red or green, to help with aiming in lower light or contrast-challenging environments. Built with a lightweight aluminum tube and basic multi-coated lenses to improve clarity and reduce glare compared with untreated glass, this scope typically has straightforward windage and elevation adjustments that make sighting intuitive, and the magnification range is versatile enough for general hunting and range plinking. Pros: very affordable price that's easy on the budget, illuminated reticle for low light flexibility, simple and intuitive controls, decent optical performance for casual shooting, and lightweight, easy to mount on many rifles. Cons: overall optical clarity and light transmission are limited compared with higher-end scopes. Illuminated reticle brightness can be weak in bright daylight. Adjustment turrets may lack precision and repeatability. Weatherproofing and ruggedness are minimal, and performance at longer distances is modest. Price: typically around $70, $120, making the Pinty 3-9-eyeing 32 EG a good choice for beginners, casual hunters, and recreational shooters who want a functional scope without a high cost. Number 3. Sightmark Core TX BDC Riflescope is a budget-friendly optic tailored for hunters and recreational shooters who want reliable performance with a simple, effective reticle. Featuring a BDC, bullet drop compensating, reticle that helps you estimate holdovers at common distances without complex calculations, and a versatile magnification range, often 3 to 9x40 or similar, that works well for short to medium range targets. It typically has fully multi-coated lenses to improve light transmission and contrast, straightforward windage, elevation adjustments, and a robust one-piece tube that offers basic waterproof and fog-proof protection. This scope's intuitive BDC reticle makes it especially handy for deer hunting, varmint shooting, or general range sessions where fast aiming and basic bullet drop compensation are useful without needing advanced ballistic tools. Pros: very affordable price point, easy to use BDC reticle for quick holdovers, decent optical clarity for general field use, rugged build with basic weather resistance, and simple mounting and adjustment. Cons: optical performance and low light clarity lag behind higher-end scopes. Reticle illumination, if present, is often basic or weak. Turrets may lack precision and repeatability, and it's not ideal for precision long-range shooting. Price: typically ranges around $120, $180, offering solid value for beginners and casual shooters who want a functional scope with useful BDC capability without breaking the bank. Number 2. Hammer's Illuminated Riflescope is an affordable entry to mid-level optic designed for hunters and casual shooters who want a versatile scope with basic illumination support that helps improve target acquisition in low-light conditions. Typically available in magnification ranges like 3,940 or 4 to 12,050, with a multi-coated optical system that increases light transmission and contrast. This riflescope combines a simple illuminated reticle, often red, green, adjustable brightness, with straightforward windage and elevation adjustments so you can zero quickly at short to moderate ranges without confusion. And its aircraft-grade aluminum tube construction offers basic water, fog, and shock resistance, suitable for general field use rather than extreme tactical environments. The illuminated reticle can be great for dawn, dusk hunting, or dense cover shots. And the eyepiece and magnification ring are usually easy to operate in the field, making it beginner-friendly and practical for everyday hunting or range sessions. Pros: very budget-friendly price that makes optics accessible to entry-level shooters. Built-in reticle illumination for enhanced low-light aiming. Simple and intuitive controls that are easy to adjust in the field. Decent optical clarity for casual hunting and plinking, and rugged enough for basic outdoor use. Cons: illumination. Brightness may be weak in bright daylight. Overall optical clarity and edge-to-edge sharpness lag behind higher-end scopes. Adjustment turrets can feel less precise. Weatherproofing and ruggedness are modest compared with premium optics, and it's not ideal for precision long-range shooting. Price: generally around $100, $180, offering solid value for recreational shooters and budget-minded hunters. Number 1. Leapers UTG is a budget to mid-range line of optics designed for shooters and hunters who want practical performance without premium pricing. Available in a variety of magnification ranges, common options like 3 to 9x40, 4 to 12x44, 6 to 24x50, and more. These scopes typically feature fully multi-coated optics that improve light transmission and contrast. Simple yet functional reticles, such as mil-dot, SFP, FFP tactical patterns, or duplex styles, for basic holdovers and aiming, and easy-to-adjust windage and elevation turrets. Many UTG models also include useful features like flip cap lens covers, integrated sunshades, side focus, parallax adjustment, and even illuminated reticles with adjustable brightness, making them surprisingly versatile for the price. Constructed with aircraft-grade aluminum tubes, UTG scopes usually offer basic weather resistance, waterproof, fog-proof, and reliable performance for hunting, plinking, and recreational shooting. Pros: great value and affordable price range, varied magnification and reticle options to suit different rifles and uses, decent optical clarity for general field shooting. Some models include illumination and tactical features, and easy-to-use controls and adjustments. Cons: optical sharpness and low-light performance trail premium brands. Turrets may feel less precise and repeatable. Overall ruggedness and long-term reliability are modest compared with high-end optics, and illumination, if present, can be basic. Price typically ranges around $100, $300, depending on model, magnification range, and additional features, making Leapers UTG scopes a strong value choice for casual shooters, hunters, and entry-level precision shooters. Thanks for tuning in. If this helped you steer clear of the wrong optics, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your shooting buddies. Let us know which brands you've had good or bad experiences with in the comments below. Stay tuned for more straight talk reviews and gear advice. See you in the next one.